As a retired general who served alongside comrades in the liberation struggle, I pen this with a heavy heart. Comrade Geza, Comrade Bombshow, Zororai Mongari, Murume Wewondo. Sanabina mashukubla toko na generali, aiwa General Lieutenant General, a retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mapuranga, wayapangwa ino achirwadziwa pamusoro aiwa pekutisiya kwaita Comrade Bombshow. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na mnamoda nyumba mchinzi. I am retired General Winston Sigauke Mapuranga, one of the many who walked the dusty parts of the bush war with you and our fellow fighters. Though our paths may not have crossed directly in every operation, your name echoed in the ranks, bold, fearless, a true son of the soil who carried the spirit of Chimrenga. Long after the guns fell silent, you fought the colonial enemy with courage then, and in these recent years, you turned that same fire towards injustice at home. Whether people agreed with every word or not, no one can deny you spoke from the heart as a war veteran who refused to stay quiet when the revolution seemed betrayed. That takes a different kind of bravery. Now you have crossed to the ancestors. May the eternal peace you fought for in life finally embrace you. May your family find strength, and may the young ones remember what a real fighter looks like, not in uniform alone, but in conviction. Rest in eternal peace, Comrade Geza. Aluta continua. Your struggle inspires even in silence from the old trenches. Retired General Winston Sigauke Mapuranga, ZNA veteran, son of Zimbabwe, may his soul rest in eternal peace. Tomashikano budashiniwo pangwa ine hatikona kuti aiwa veruzhinji varwadziwa nemajenerali arwadziwa, vamwe vakarwa naBombshow Geza muhondo irisununguko vanoratidza kuti aiwa vabatwa, they are being saddened nekushayika kwaita Comrade Bombshow. Pinakomesekishe medu dzafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.